Hello again. I'm going to walk you through how to upload an object to 3DTeleprint. Let's get started. To get a successful upload, you'll need to have a connected Stripe account, at least 3 photos of your object, including a view of the object's dimensions, an orientation view, and a wireframe view, and we do encourage you to also upload a printed model view as well. Please make sure your design is landed, centered, manifold, and saved as a STL file below 50 MB in size. Watch our video file requirements for 3DTeleprint and capturing screenshots of 3D objects if you need help. Log into your 3DTeleprint account and click your username in the top right corner and select Account. Make sure you have your Stripe account connected to your Accounts page found under your username. Because each design has a per print price associated with it, 3DTeleprint needs to know where to send your earned income to. Also upload a picture of yourself or company logo and make sure your contact info is correct. Click Update down at the bottom. Then click your username and select My Uploads. Make sure New Upload is selected. Now give your object a name that users would hope to find when they're searching. Select Choose File to upload the STL you want. Upload the screenshots you want to feature. Identify the photo you want to show as your default view. Now select the object's category. Enter the object's uploaded length, width, and height. Be sure length as your object's longest side and Z represents the object's height. Enter a description you feel the customer needs to know and provide attribution when necessary. If you hold the patent for this product, please provide the patent number. Enter your per print price, and if the object is for sale, enter your transfer ownership price. Transferring ownership will obviously not transfer the patent ownership, but will transfer that product ownership on the 3DTeleprint ecosystem to the purchaser, where they will have the ability to download, modify, and earn income from the object's per print price after a sale. Enter your product's visibility by selecting Public, which allows anyone to see and print your design after paying your per print price, or select Private, ensuring only you can see your upload under the My Uploads tab, and only you can initiate a print to a Wingman connected 3D printer. Next, select whether or not your product needs supports when printing. The very last item to mention is the uploading of G-code. This is only relevant to those designers that are also Wingman operators. It allows you or a third party the ability to override our system slicing software when sending a design you upload to a Wingman connected 3D printer you own. Feel free to upload multiple G-code files for each STL uploaded, but try and only upload one G-code file per machine so you'll know which one to replace if you make an improvement. Once you finish, you just hit Send down at the bottom. That's it. Now publicly uploaded parts can begin earning you an income. Parts set to private can only be initiated by you, but sent to any publicly visible Wingman. It is important to mention private uploads and Wingman visibility settings may be subject to change in the near future, with some features only being available with our subscribe model. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy teleprinting.